Thai we call it tom chap chai. I'm making tom chap chai for me and for my family and my housekeeper. Very simple. Kind of, I stir fry the pork, spare rib and pork collar. So I make them both together with garlic, and I stir fry them and add oyster sauce, like soy sauce, sugar, with black peppers, and stir fry them like mixed veggie. There's a cabbage, cabbage, sorry, and how you call it, kale and radish. Stir fry first, and then after stir fry, I add water, so bring to boil. Basically, this one like the soup. Tom is mean cooking, like boiling. Chap chai in Thai mean like whatever you have, In the kitchen, you just the veggie, just throw them in. So I simmer about an hour now, but I'm gonna do a little bit more. Another half an hour, something like that. Pretty good now. I just wait, until the pork is more tender.